สวัสดีค่ะ 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 My Thai Learning BFFs. In this lesson, we are going to explore and learn Thai question words so you can use them to form basic open-ended question words in Thai. Are you ready? Let's go and live our Thai passion. Okay, so here are the question words in Thai or คำถามคำ mid tone คำ means word and ถาม rising tone ถาม means to ask. So when you put the two together คำถาม word used for asking form a question word or a question. Okay, คำถาม and of course there are lots and lots of question words in Thai, but the ones that I'm going to show you right now in this lesson are the ones that you need to know the most at the beginning of your learning. All right, so your job right now to learn these, make sure you know them, and then I can introduce you to other question words in Thai in other lessons. Okay, but right now we need to know these. Right, just the same as before, I'm going to say each word twice. Okay, and then I'm going to tell you the tones, and then I'm going to say it again. Your job is to repeat and mimic the sound the best you can. All right, are you ready? Let's get started. The first one on the list is อะไรอะไร low tone ไร mid tone อะไร means what. The thing to be aware of with this question word อะไร is in an everyday conversation we won't say อะไร we won't stress the syllable อะ very much, so อะไร would just become อะไร so that อะ kind of reduced and unstressed. Okay, อะไร is a little bit like the word about. We won't say about in everyday conversation, we would just say about. Sound is reduced and unstressed, and the same thing apply here. Okay, อะไร becomes อะไร means what. The second one on the list is เมื่อไหร่เมื่อ falling tone ไหร่ low tone เมื่อไหร่ I'm being distracted by this little insect. เมื่อไหร่เมื่อ falling tone ไหร่ low tone เมื่อไหร่ means when. Okay, the next one is ที่ไหนที่ falling tone ที่ไหน rising tone ที่ไหน means where. And what to be aware of with this question word ที่ไหน often shortened to just ไหน yeah, ไหน rising tone ไหน and the last one and the next one ใคร mid tone ใคร means who or whom. And the last one, at least on this slide, is ของใครของ rising tone ใคร mid tone ของใคร okay, ของใคร means whose. So if you look at the word ของ can function as a noun meaning things or stuff. Yeah, it can also function as a preposition, and as a preposition it means belonging to or of. So the question word whose basically literally ของใคร belonging to who, of who, belonging to whom, of whom, yeah, ของใคร 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 whose. Okay, are you ready for some more question words? Let's go and have a look at them. And here are some more question words for you to learn, or คำถาม okay? The first one on the list is ทำไม ทำไม ทำ mid tone ไม mid tone ทำไม means why. And the next one is อย่างไร อย่างไร อย่าง low tone ไร mid tone อย่างไร how. The thing to be aware with this question word อย่างไร is often shortened to just ยังไง ยังไง in everyday conversation, okay? ยังไง ยัง mid tone ไง mid tone ยังไง so if you hear native Thai speakers say, ask you a question and end it with ยังไง ยังไง that means อย่างไร okay? อย่างไร is the same as ยังไง alright? The next one is เท่าไหร่ เท่าไหร่ เท่า เท่า falling tone ไหร่ low tone ไหร่ เท่าไหร่ means how much. And the next one กี่ กี่ low tone กี่ กี่ means how many. And the thing to be aware with the word กี่ is it's normally followed by a classifier, okay? For example กี่คน กี่คน คน means person, so กี่คน how many person. กี่วัน one means day, remember กี่วัน how many days. กี่อาทิตย์ อาทิตย์ means week กี่อาทิตย์ how many weeks. กี่คืน คืน means night กี่คืน how many nights, yeah? So remember กี่ and then classifier. If you don't know what classifiers are, don't worry, I will do another lesson for you on classifiers, okay? But for now, just remember กี่ got to be followed by a classifier. You can't just use กี่ how many like on its own, okay? And the last one on the list is the question word ไหน ไหน rising tone ไหน ไหน means which, okay? The question word ไหน also used with classifiers, but classifier comes before the question word ไหน for example คนไหน คน person ไหน คนไหน which person. วันไหน one means day, remember วันไหน which day. อาทิตย์ไหน อาทิตย์ means week อาทิตย์ไหน which week. คืนไหน คืนไหน คืน means night คืนไหน which night, okay? And that is it for this lesson. Just learn them, and in the next lesson I will show you how to put them in sentences to form some basic questions, okay? Until the next time, สวัสดีค่ะ